This partnership unites history and travel. I've never been anywhere history is not.
We archived over 2,000 pictures and videos from New Orleans' #1 attraction, the National World War II Museum. Join us for the venture. Enjoy the video. And here is our next exhibit.
Now, after you get your tickets in the main entrance, inside that same building is the Hall of Democracy. Go ahead and take the elevator or the stairs to the second level, turn to your right, and here we go. Enjoy the video. It begins with the Go for Broke spirit. So this video is going to include a lot of different pictures and videos inside the Hall of Democracy, including life on the home front.
Hey, check out all of our videos from the museum on our playlist, World War II Museum.
Now, as you move towards the end of the Hall of Democracy, you're going to move into this area, the war and the industrial industry. It really gives you a true upfront, close and personal reality of what it was like, such as all the volunteers and Rosie the Riveters. Enjoy! And hey guys, while you're here, don't forget to like and share. We really would appreciate you subscribing because we work really hard to honor the greatest generation that ever lived. After all, our motto is, I've never been anywhere that history is not.
Rosie the Riveter became one of the war's most iconic images as millions of women from across the country took up manufacturing jobs formerly reserved for men.
Speaking of the Packard engine, if you want to do a deeper dive, head on over to the video from the PT305 exhibit. It has a lot of great informational facts about the Packard engine. Display is the inclusion of a fully operational Packard 2500 engine, which is running and on display. How cool is that?
This partnership unites history and travel. I've never been anywhere history is not.